Hello friends, how are you guys doing? I hope everything is okay with you. You know, uh when it's Black Friday and if I'm able to see what I really need at a cheaper rate, I tell you I am always happy. So I got this dining chair from Otto. I think this was a 75% sales. I have here a small knife. I don't know what it's called, but it's a knife to open the carton with. And I have here screwdriver, and I have here some equipment. I don't really know what I really need for this, for fixing it, but I just have gather what I have at home, and then when I open it, then I'll see how it goes. But sometimes uh, the firma or the fabrica, they put in the tools that you would need to fix the furniture or whatever you bought. So let's see how it goes. First of all, we open the um, carton with this knife. Although they said I don't have to use this. Look here. This is the picture. When you see, you know that you don't have to use this. But I guess I don't really have much option. It doesn't need so much stress, as I can see here. You see, this is already fixed, so to say. So it's not a lot of work to do, yeah, because I know I had experience with fixing furnitures. Like I fixed my wardrobe, my black wardrobe over there. I was the one that fixed it. I fixed my son's bed, his reading table. I also fixed the TV stand. Yeah. So with the experience I had, it was, I would say, this is a bit lighter. Yeah. I don't have to do much. Yeah. Maybe I won't be needing screwdriver the way I'm saying it. But we'll see what we need and what we don't need. Okay. And the last one, yeah, like I said, it's not so much work. So it's finished here. So I'll get this outside. So the next thing I will do, yeah, you don't have to forget that we are in Corona era. You know what I mean by Corona era, yeah? So normally when I make some order, or if I go to the supermarket to get food stuff and some things that we need at home, I don't forget, once I get into the house, I try to disinfect whatever it is that I went outside with. My shoes, my hand glove, that is if it is during the winter, uh, my shawl, my cap, everything, my jacket, everything that I wore, I will make sure that I really dealt with it with disinfectant. Because if you are in some part of Europe, you will know that Corona is real, and we have to take precautions, yeah, to protect our loved ones. So this is what I'm doing. I'll make sure I disinfect every part, even the tiniest part of this chair. And of course, after work, I'm going to make sure that I disinfect all these areas where I worked on. Okay? So, having done that, I will go ahead and see what I need and what I don't. So I will gather all these things and take them outside so I can have enough space here to work on this. Yeah, it does mean I'll have to sort it out later. So guys, like I said earlier, or like I suspected, it's not a lot of work. As you can see, look at after unboxing, this is all that I found. You can see they already have things put together, and here this is what you use, you know, to get in the screws in the chair. So I don't even need my own tools, the ones over there. I don't even need it. So, and of course, it came with an instruction, you know. Yeah, this came inside of it like normal. Yeah. So this, it came with instructions, the parts, like what I said with the numbers. You have to pay attention to this number, because each number tells you what to do with that piece. Yeah. So let's go on and fix this Black Friday share. So now, looking at these descriptions, yeah, each of these tool is with a number. For example, this here, whatever it is called, is written here as number 8. Can you guys see that? And the smaller one, that is the smaller circle tool, is number 7. And so on and so forth. So according to this instruction, yeah, you see, this is why I love fixing things like this. You don't have to know how to read, or maybe you have to know how to read Dutch or maybe read Spanish before you can fix these furnitures. You don't need to read anything, because most of them comes in diagram, you know. So with this diagram here, so there is nothing to read. Just when you look at them at a glance, you already know what they're trying to say. So in this diagram number 1, it means that I am going to lay down the resting head. That is the resting head part of the chair. I'm going to lay it down and then fix, so put the tools in there. And then this is really easy compared to experiences I had with fixing furniture. So put this one down. Oh, this material is great. It's soft. I don't know if it's gonna last long, but we will see how it goes. Yeah. After all, it's Black Friday. Yeah. So let's go on. And according to the diagram, we are going to put this one here. Sehr einfach. So, and I will see the tools that I need. And you already see the openings that is needed has been opened. So you don't need to drill or stress yourself. Yeah. The openings are already there. You already need to get the tools and then just put it in. And then it's so I'm not screwing anything. I just want to make sure that the drill that they made on the resting head part and on the sitting parts are so that the whole mash together. Yeah, they are pointing towards each other. Then I have to shift it a little bit. Okay. Okay. Perfect. 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 So they are good. So what next? And look, the second diagram. Look what they say. Look here, number 8. That is the big circle. Goes in first. Yeah? Followed by the small one, the small circle. Yeah? After this, then comes this screw. Yeah? As you can see it here. And then the last, you push everything in with this tool. So simple. Yeah? No stress, I'm telling you. So the big one goes in. So I can just get this, yeah, and let everything just go in, yeah. So in that case, this is the screw, and then the small one goes in first. Oops. And then followed by the big one, yeah. And then this is the tool that will get it everything inside. So okay, I don't think I can walk through with this one because this curved area, I can't get it through the this part of the shear, but maybe I can try. Maybe I don't have to do it like 360. Let me see if I have any of this in my equipment that I can use. Something like, yeah, guys, look what I found from my equipment. So I'm going to use it and, you know, get it in. So I think this is better, yeah. So perfect. So I guess I'm gonna use this for the rest of the screws that needs to be tightened.
Fix it.
Yeah, I'm fixing it, okay?
Share.
Yeah.
Pass.
Sometimes, no, you cannot pat. It's well tightened to avoid any home accident. Although we in this household, we don't weigh so much kilo, but then it's good to always take precautions. You can never tell. Maybe your children, maybe your kids, you might get up one day and you see your kids jumping on the chair. So I have to tighten it real good. So the next one is the leg of this chair. As it is reading, it is number 3, and it's also number 3 from the diagram. Yeah, we are going to do same. Yeah, the big circle goes in, followed by the small circle, and then comes the screw, and then the tool to tighten it with. And look here, you have 2 arrows. Can you see it, guys? 2 arrows means that you have 2 places to get the circles and the screw in, you understand, to make the shear more stable. The machine, okay, we need to push it a little bit. Oh, okay, did I make it wrong, or is this for the other side of the shear? Yeah, reached it. I've got it. So I will tighten it in. So I'm through with this part of the shell, but I'm going to tighten it in later. Yeah, I'm just using my hands, my finger to get it in, and then I will use the screwdriver to make it more tighter. Yeah. Myself. Okay. So guys, we are finished. Yeah. This is so wonderful. Then I cover back this place, and yeah, wunderschön. So this is great. This is going out. Okay. The staple is not okay. It's not bad. So we used all of the screw except this one was what was remaining. Yeah. So it's good. Everything is so strong. And we lift up the chair. Oh, guys, what do you think? Yeah, it's stable. I got the two of them for 124 euro. Yeah, I think it looks good. Yeah, it looks good and quite stable. And I got the one with the a bit longer resting head because I'm a tall person. I need extra space. So guys, thank you for watching and see you next time on my channel. Have a blessed weekend. Ciao.